Hi guys, so my name's Miss Hewitt, and for this last term I was supposed to be working with Miss Edwards in the Year 3 class. Unfortunately that hasn't been able to happen, but instead I'm going to be making some lessons for you guys to follow along with. So just a little bit about me. I'm from a town called Loughborough, which is near to Leicester and Nottingham, if you've heard of those places. It's a lot more northern than Reading, it's kind of in the Midlands. Interests wise, I really enjoy baking and cooking and also art, which is what we're going to be doing today. So let's get started. So today we're going to be doing some mindful art, which basically means we're going to be de-stressing, connecting with our emotions and just taking our time with it. So for these activities today, all you are going to need is a piece of paper, a pen, and if you want to, you can get some colouring pencils out, but if you don't have them, then don't worry. So starting with the warm-up, all we're going to do is we're just going to do a big scribble on our piece of paper. Okay. Then I want you to look at your scribble and think, can I make this into anything? So looking at mine, I think this circle here maybe looks a little bit like a snail shell. So I'm just going to make that into a shell. And this bit here maybe looks a bit like a face of a snail. Then I might do some slime. But obviously this part's completely up to what your scribble looks like, so everybody's will look different. At this stage you might want to colour it in if you have colours, if not then don't worry. I'm just going to add some brown to my shell. And maybe I'll add some grass to my snow. Perfect, so there's the warm-up. You can do that a couple of times if you want. So for the main activity, you're going to need a separate piece of paper. And I just want you to place one of your hands on the piece of paper and just think about the texture of it and how it feels. So maybe just close your eyes and do that for a few seconds. Okay, now using a pencil, just trace around your hand. While you're doing this, just think about how it feels. Maybe it tickles, maybe you find it relaxing. Mindful art's all about just relaxing yourself, de-stressing. Perfect. Okay, so once you've got that, you need to do your other hand as well. If you find this a bit tricky, which obviously I am as well, maybe ask your parents to do it if they're around to help you. But if not, you can just do it on your own like I am. Okay, so now on your piece of paper you should have two hands. Mine obviously look a little bit different, but that doesn't really matter at this stage. So now you've got your two hands, you need to decorate it, but I want you to try and decorate it showing your emotions. So I might write how I'm feeling on the fingers, or I might decorate them with different colours or different patterns. You can use words, you can use anything really. So I'm just going to speed up this process so you can see what I'm doing with mine. I hope this activity was fun for you. If you do complete this, I would love if you could send a photo to Miss Edwards so that she can show me. Yeah, bye guys.